Hey guys, what's up and welcome to another unboxing. And for today's video we're going to be unboxing this Lifx Plus light bulb. I bought this because I figured my light bulb needs a little bit of an upgrade, and yeah, I really like the different colors that it can do. So this is a little bit of the specs that this light bulb can offer. And it is also can be controlled using the app, so you can just control it on your phone, which is very convenient, so I really like that. And you can turn it off using your phone as well, so you don't need to stand up and turn it off. And yeah, also like I said, you can change the color of it, so I really like that feature of this one. So I bought this in PB Tech. And let's open it. So this is the bulb. I'm just gonna be careful with it because, you know, I don't want to break it. This is actually a bit expensive than the other bulbs, but I want to buy the premium one just to, I don't know, have the nicest bulb out there, I guess. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Yeah, and it also has this, I'm assuming this is instructions or something. I'm gonna return this first. There's a code at the back of this, but I don't want to show that because this is a unique code, unique to this one. So yeah, so this is just an introduction in how to use it. Yeah, like mainly instructions to get you started, and I'm not sure if it comes in different languages, but yeah. Hey guys, so this is what the app looks like. So I already downloaded the app, and then yeah, so you can adjust the brightness from here, and also you can click this. Once you set it up, this is what it will look like. So this is just the white, and it can have like a orangey tone as well, and different shades of white. And we can move on to the colors. There's the color of the rainbow, and you can adjust as well how bright you want it to be. So all the colors are there, depends on your mood. So it's all there, and also we have this themes where the lights are all like mixed up like that. I'm just doing a few examples because there's quite a bit of different light settings. And also there's this thing called palette, where it's just straight up one color. Just click whichever you want. This is good as well if you're into TikTok, so you can have like an amazing light background when you're doing your videos or things like that. And then also there's this thing where you can create your own effect on the light. So I have only tried this one so far, which is the visualizer. And this thing, the light changes depends on the music. So it's gonna record like that. If there's music, it's gonna like stay in tune with the music. And also we have this. I haven't set it up, but there's quite a bit of it, and you can just change it according to your mood and stuff like that. And then this is just like more lights that you can purchase from them. And this one, just how to set it up, more instructions, app guide, introduction, clean, how to clean it. So it's pretty good, like there's quite a bit of things there, just legal stuff and what's new, support, get help, resource notification, things like that. So this is how you change the color. As you can see, there's all the colors of the rainbow, and you can also change how bright you want it to be. You can go really dark or really bright like that. You can also give it a subtle tone of white or a more intense color like so. So I'm just going around the color palette like that. So there's the colors and the whites, which is a different shades of whites, like a normal light kind of vibe. And then there's the themes where you can have a numerous color showing up at once like that. And also the palette where it's just one color, an intense one. So yeah, so thanks guys for watching.